Relationships will often end in disgust, and I know you want my love, but there's nothing to discuss. I don't need you in my life no more. I don't need you in my life no more. I got no money.
Hello everyone. In this episode you're going to see some dockings and a picture from Å-racet in Nyköping. But first, the review of Hollylands headset that I've been using for a while. Hello everyone. In this video we're going to check out this headset from Hollyland. This model called C1, and we check out what's included in the package. You got one battery charger, can charge 4 batteries, and it's 4 batteries included in the package. It's a USB 2 headsets. They look like this. Microphone, you can adjust the angle on it, and the other one is the same. You can either have it this way or this way, what you prefer best for you. And you have this some extra and different ear covers is included in the package. So some of them should fit your ears. The headsets are easy to understand. This is the packet with 2 ones, but you can buy 4 or 6 if you are lots of more people aboard. So here are the volume control, the microphone and the speaker, and on the other side you have your battery, and it lasts very long, and it just plug and play, and you have always a spare charge. But I have speak for a very long time, and I never run out of use in them. So I really don't know how long you can speak in one of them, but it's hours, I think. After I recorded this video, I've been testing this headset for a month on a daily basis, and they work for a very long time. I guess at least 5 hours we have used them before I got the warning on low battery. And I continue to use them for 2 dockings more with the warning sounded, and they still worked. Then I changed the battery. Another good way you can use this one is if you have your kids or another crew member in the dinghy. You can communicate much better when you speak to each other or try to do gestures or something. So that's a really good use of this headset. There's a close-up of the volume control. The other buttons is for pairing if you buy more than the ones you already have. You have a speaker and you have a microphone, and this is just a pad. You don't cover the other ear, so you can hear your surroundings. And the thing I love most of this, it's you can really whisper and the other person hear you very well. I'm really impressed with that, because all of you know when you're speaking on the boat, you speak with your partner or someone, everyone around you hears what you say, because the sounds travel very far when you are at sea. And you often speak very loud to speak higher than the engines or something like that. So it's a really good thing to have, I think. Even though I got this for free from Hollyland just to try out and see what I think about it, I think the product is a good product. You can feel the quality. It's no cheap plastic. It's a really solid thing to hold on to. And the sound in it, it's really impressed of. You can, like I said before, you can whisper and the other person hear you clearly. So I really love them.
Relationships will often end in disgust, and I know you want my love, but there's nothing to discuss. I don't need you in my life no more. I don't need you in my life no more. I got no money, it's getting sunny, but I still feel cold. I've been nose running, you funny, you going it out. What? Not the time just to go around. What do you think is safe and sound? What? Might as well just burn it down. It's always winter time inside my mind. I find it hard to bear, 'cause it gets cold and blurry. Yeah, it gets cold and blurry. She took my heart and then discarded all the evidence. All of her actions were a clear case of malevolence. I got no money, it's getting sunny, but I still feel cold. I've been nose running, you funny, you
Here we have a strong wind blowing the boat against the dock. So we can almost untouch the line and the boat will not move. But I still want Linda to have the line around the klitsch, so she attach it again. I don't like to use the bow thruster that much, but here I should have used it a little bit more to get the boat away from the dock. So I have to compensate by give it some gas. I also could have done the opposite, but stop the boat and let the fenders go against the dock. Today we have a really strong current. You can see the boat move, and it's only the current that moves the boat. It can be a bit tricky to dock when you have the current. The current can push the boat against the dock when you get close, so you have to do it really slow. Patient, we will get there. And when you're waiting, you can push the subscribe button. Here I show Linda how to use the body weight to move the boat. Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment. That's always nice. Bye bye.